Hello everyone, I am Soumya from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at SNS College of Technology. Welcome to Unit 5 of Data Visualization, and today's topic is Designing Dashboards for Usability. In this session, we will explore how a well-designed dashboard can turn the complex data into meaningful insights that anyone can understand quickly and clearly. Before we dive deeper, let's take a quick recap. Previously, we learned how dashboards help to visualize the data, converting the rows and columns into stories and insights. Remember, a good dashboard doesn't just display the data, it communicates the information effectively. And today, we will learn how to make the dashboards usable, simple, clean, and user centered. Designing dashboards for usability. Usability is the heart of dashboard design. When a user opens a dashboard, they should immediately know where to look, what is important, and how to explore deeper. A usable dashboard reduces the confusion, saves the time, and supports the quick decision making. So, the question we are solving is, how do we design the dashboards that are not just beautiful but useful? Problem statement. Let's meet Ria, a marketing analyst. Ria often works with multiple dashboards full of charts, colors, and clutter. She finds it hard to locate the key data points or understand what story the data tell. Her problem is simple: too much information, too little clarity. Our challenge is to redesign her dashboard to make it simple, easy to read, and decision friendly. Empathize. The first step in design thinking is empathize. We start by observing Ria in her real work environment. We notice her scrolling through multiple tabs, zooming into graphs, and feeling lost in the clutter. By empathizing, we understand her needs. She doesn't want more data, she wants clearer data. These steps help us design with her in mind, not just for her. The next phase is define. Here we summarizes our observation into a clear problem statement. Ria needs a clear, easy to find dashboard that simplifies the data and supports the quick decisions. This one statement becomes our design compass. Every idea we generate must align with this goal. Now comes the fun part, that is ideate. We brainstorm the possible solutions. Simplify the layouts by grouping the similar charts. Use soft, consistent colors for better readability. Add filters so users can explore only what matters to them. In this phase, we go wide, thinking creatively without judging the ideas. After generating ideas, we move to the prototype phase. Here, we build a sample dashboard, maybe using Power BI, Tableau, or Figma. Our goal is to keep it clean, intuitive, and interactive. We focus on alignment, spacing, and consistency. These prototype helps us to visualize how the actual dashboard will look and behave. Now we test. We let Ria use our new dashboard and observe her reactions. Can she find what she needs within a few seconds? Does she understand the story behind the data? Her feedback helps us to improve and fine tune the design. Testing transforms the assumptions into real user insights. Let's now look at the technical depth side of dashboard design, represented by the vertical part of the T-shape. These includes deep skills like data modeling and integration, and understanding the visualization tools, and mastering the design rules. Depth makes you a specialist, someone who can build the technically sound dashboard with precision and performance. But depth alone is not enough. You also need the breadth, that is the horizontal part of the T shape, being able to collaborate across the domains. A designer should understand the business context, user psychology, and communication. This helps in translating the raw data into powerful, actionable stories. And that brings us to the end of our session on designing the dashboards for usability. Let's recap the journey. We started with Ria's problem, empathized with her needs, defined our goals, and ideated multiple layouts and prototyped a solution and tested it for usability. Through the design thinking approach, we learned how usability transforms the dashboards into meaningful decision tools. Thank you for listening, and remember, a great dashboard isn't full of data, it's full of clarity. Thank you.